a victory. I'm gonna see a victory.
Hey guys, it's about 7 o'clock in the evening. I'm pretty tired. I'm going to be going to Thousand Island Lake tomorrow, so I'll be going a little over 8 miles. And I don't have anybody camped near me, and Beth is no longer, she wasn't going to do the second leg, so it's pretty super lonely right now. I think I already talked about how the trail was. I've just been reading my Bible, looking at the map, rethinking some destinations. Because originally, after Thousand Island, I was supposed to go to Wall Lake, which would have been a 5.1 day. And then near Kuna Creek, which would have been 7.5. I want to push farther than that. So I got a couple options. We'll see how I'm feeling. In fact, it's possible I might even make it a double pass day by going over Island Pass and Donahue Pass. But we'll see, because that'll be a tough one. And I would camp below Donahue Pass. But, yep, so I'm just tired. I'm probably going to go to sleep soon. Already had dinner. I can't really think of anything else. I'll probably wake up at like 5:30. I don't know. 5:30 or 6. I made really good time today. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll find out, huh? Good morning, guys. It is 6:11. I woke up at 5:30. I'm still tired. Oh my gosh, look at the sunrise. I don't know if you can see that very well with the camera, but anyway, my battery's dying, so I better hurry up. I woke up a few times because a stupid kid across the lake, and then it started raining twice, so I'm still tired. I have 8.2 miles to go to Thousand Island Lake today, and I'm just getting stuff ready. Getting food on now, because all I really need to do is get the food done, cleaning to put in there, so I can put the beer canister in there and put everything else in there, and I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm just tired. I'm not sore or anything, so that's about it. Okay, it is just after 6:50. I'm leaving camp. Say goodbye to Rosalie Lake and the annoying screaming kids and the leech-infested waters. I will not miss this lake. It's not even all that pretty, but I mean, it's okay. It's better than the one that I filtered water at earlier. But time to go to Thousand Island Lake. And when I woke up this morning, there was all sorts of clouds. Well, there was clouds in the sky, I should say. Oh, I suppose I should hit my preset Garmin button. So, I'm going to try and make good time to that. Even if I get to Thousand Island Lake early, I will stay there because it's a fairly iconic lake, I guess. People love that lake, so I'm gonna go check it out, camp there, and then from there, originally I was supposed to camp at Wall Lake, but I've been rethinking all that, and I'm not gonna camp at Wall Lake. I am going to camp either at the Marie Lakes Trail Junction, which is a little bit past the junction to Wall Lake, or I might make it a double pass day and do Island Pass and Donahue Pass and camp below Donahue Pass. We'll see how I'm feeling and we'll see how much time I have. If I got plenty of time, I might as well. And after that, well, originally I was supposed to stay at Kuna Creek, which wouldn't be too far from where I'd be camping below Donahue. And so I'd probably camp at the Ireland Creek Trail Junction, which is probably about 5 miles from Tuolumne Meadows, where I will resupply the next day. Special thanks to my fiance for that, and her parents. Anyway, that's coming into view of Shadow Lake, and it looks pretty. Oh, wow. The switchbacks haven't been too bad at all either. Fairly gradual. It's been great. Oh, that's beautiful. And that is a view too. That's a view. Wow. Let's take pictures. Shadow Lake. There's like 3 ducks at least that I see at Shadow Lake here. So random. Nope, 4 of them, 5 of them. That's crazy. It's beautiful. I'm so glad there's a footbridge. So it doesn't look like it would have been fun to oh, gosh. It's kind of deep. Probably up to my thighs at least. Okay, that's not, scary at all. Oh man, you screw up there. You go off that. That's probably why they built the bridge. Wow. Wow. What you got for the footbridge? That would not have been fun. Trail Junction. I should be going to the right. Down the trail, Adiza. 7 minutes. Cool. No legal campsites around Shadow Lake. Really? Because I saw people camping. Only one person, I think, though. Or 2 people. Wow. Nice view. Great. Here's Shadow Lake again. Oh, that's bright. It's a good thing I have a habit of checking my map at junctions or just past them or whatever, because I started going the wrong way. I could have got back right, or I could have gotten back on track on the trail, but definitely wasn't going where I wanted it to go. Wow. Look at all those down trees. That's crazy. Wow. Oh. I'm stinky. I stink. Phew. Morning. Thanks. Happy trails. Thanks. Ah, beautiful. I need a picture. Morning. No. Looking for a ranger?
Yeah, I think I pulled the groin muscle or had a hernia or something.
Oh no.
So, yeah, I'm supposed to be back here another night, but I'm coming out early.
Oh man.
I think it's gonna be okay. It just slow but sure.
Wow, yeah. So I was just talking to that gentleman, Mike, if I remember the name correctly. And you know, as you heard, I got a bit of an injury. So I asked if I could pray for him. That's why I shut off the camera. I didn't want to, you know, put all that on camera. And so he let me pray for him, so that was good. Hopefully he'll get out and be okay. Oh look, another little waterfall. Beautiful. Might have been the one I saw earlier, I'm not sure. Probably not. There's campsites right there too. Wow. Oh, I love it. I love it. Don't walk off the edge, John.
Howdy.
Morning.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, good hike.
Dude, happy trails.
Yeah, good.
Thanks. Boy, do I have a climb ahead of me. I think I'm supposed to be climbing like 1,000 feet and then dropping back down. It'll take me a while if I keep taking pictures like this. It's just too pretty not to take a picture. Oh, onward and upward. So far, my body's doing just fine. Great. Wow, bunch of waterfalls. What's climbing? Not a big fan of these stairs. Of course, if you've seen any of my videos before, you probably already know this. Coming to a trail junction. Guys, Shadow Lake, Garnet Lake. You are here. Guys, right, so Dice is that way, Shadow Lake is that way, Garnet Lake is that way. Got it. Now I'll check my GPS track in a minute. Double check. Very pretty. I think I've done most of the climbing to get to Garnet. There's probably a bit more. But then I think I have a lot of downhill. Oh, I don't like walking on these rocks. See why people are making that other track.